Getting customers to buy on Facebook can be really challenging and frustrating if you've got people that are following you, they're engaging, but they don't ever seem to hire you or buy from you. And in this video, I'm gonna break down one of the main reasons that happens so you can get more people to buy from you on Facebook. All right, let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5 Minute Social Media, where I help time-strapped business owners have powerful social media without the need for a huge team, a huge budget, or posting every single day. If that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with the boy wizard. And in this video, we're going to talk about getting people to buy on Facebook. It can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you've got a strong following, they're engaging, but then nobody ever seems to buy from you or hire you. And a lot of times it comes down to one special problem that I'm going to cover for you and show you how to fix in this video. And when you do what I'm going to show you in this video, some amazing things can happen. Like Tom, who's a member of my FMSM Pro group coaching program, he did what I'm going to show you in this video, optimized his Facebook business page, and I think he said it was the next day he got a phone call from a woman. And she wanted him to come and perform what he does at her house. He has a dryer vent cleaning service business. And he said, oh, okay, great, yeah, we'll get it all set up. Where'd you hear about me? And she said, oh, I searched dryer vent cleaning services on Facebook and your page came right to the top. He had just put his page up. It had one like on the page, and he already got business from it. Walk through this scenario with me. You've seen the looking for recommendations feature on Facebook, right? It's where we can recommend businesses to our friends and family. So somebody says, hey, I'm looking for a blank, your industry, and then that person's friend says, oh, you gotta go see your business. So they go to your business page and check it out. Now at this point, they already know that you solved the problem that they need solved. A friend is recommending your business, which is the ultimate endorsement. So at this point, it's kind of like it's your business to lose, it's my business to lose. So you want to make sure that your Facebook business page has these three things so they know how to work with you. One, make it very clear what you do, okay? And sometimes that seems obvious, and if it is name, comma, real estate agent, they probably know. But a lot of times it's just your name, or your name doesn't necessarily speak to your business. So make it clear that they know exactly what you do. And if you're using your page category to rely on that, make sure that no matter what version of Facebook you're on, or whether it's on a computer or a mobile device, it's also very clear. Basically, anytime anyone lands on your Facebook page from anywhere, it should be very clear what you do. Second thing, state why you are different from your competitors. Now this is important because every single consumer in the world, every one of us, on average, is bombarded with over 10,000 brand messages a day. And unless you invented something and you're the only one that offers it, you gotta tell people, why are you different? Why are you better than your competitors? Why are you awesome, as I like to say? You're like, why are you awesome compared to them? Because that's gonna help them make a decision as well. And then the third thing, and this is the most important one, what do they need to do to work with you or buy from you? And I know as a business owner, when we're on the inside, it's like, oh, well, you just, click on About on my page, and then you scroll down, you find my phone number, you call me, you leave me a voicemail, I'll call you back. If you don't answer, I'll leave you a voicemail. And, all of a sudden, it's more complex than it needs to be for 2020. And yeah, you can go, well, don't be so lazy if you want to work with me. It's not that as consumers we're lazy, it's that we are busy. So if I land there, and it's super obvious on how to work with you or take that next step toward working with you or buying from you, I'll do it right away. But if it's not obvious and then somebody calls my name, I get a phone call, a text message, stove is boiling over, whatever, we get distracted and we may never come back. So make sure you have listed what do you want them to do to buy from you, work with you, or to take that next step. So it might be, click here to shop our sale items right now. It might be download this free thing, and then of course you get their email address. It might be join my Facebook group. That's what's on my Facebook business page right now, because I know of all the people that join my group, I can nurture them along into becoming members of some of my programs. So what do you need them to do? Make sure that's there on the page. Sometimes people do this on their business and get results like the next day or within a couple of days. Now, if you liked this video, take a second, give it a like, leave me a comment, but also check out this other video because this kind of goes along with this to help sure that your social media is making money. And if you want to learn more about what I do and my programs like the one that Tom is in, you can find all of that in the description of this video. Thank you for supporting 5 Minute Social Media. You're not only supporting me, but also my two tiny superheroes at home.